Hey, today we're checking out the Panda Gold app, an app that claims you can earn rewards or gold coins by playing games or completing tasks. But is it legit or just another scam? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Panda Gold app is available on Google Play where it has a decent number of downloads. However, I couldn't find any trustworthy reviews or other solid feedback from real users. That's a bit of a red flag since legit apps usually have more reviews out there. The app looks pretty straightforward, but there's not much info on how payments work or if people are actually cashing out successfully. No celebrity endorsements or big names linked to it either. So is Panda Gold a scam? It's hard to say for sure with no little info or so little info. It might be legit, but the lack of trustworthy reviews and payment proof means you should be cautious. If you decide to try it, don't invest too much time or money up front. Thanks for watching. If you've tried Panda Gold, share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.